Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. We have a great collab here with ZHAMIRA ZAMBRANO and Jay Wheeler. Nice song there, so we're going to take a look at this one. We have pretty much two different chord progressions here for this full entire song, so that will be nice. Combine that with an easy strumming pattern, easy chords. So yeah, let's take a look at this one. No need for any cape on this. Alright, so we're gonna go over the 5 chords needed. So we're gonna start with the G first. So that will be 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We have D next. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. We have the one and only bar chord in the song here. That's a B minor. You place the bar on the 2nd fret like this. You don't have to bar the last E string in the bass. So just 5 strings if you count from bottom and up there. And then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. So there you have your B minor. We have the A next. That is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. And then finally E minor. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Alright, so we're gonna learn the strumming pattern now. So if you grab the G chord, that will be the first chord you're gonna play there. So G, and then one string around is about in that tempo. So it's down and then a short pause and then comes up, clap, down. Couple rounds. And so on. And notice when I'm doing the up here, I don't go full up like this. I just turn my wrist like this and hit the top notes down there on the E, perhaps B and even G string maybe. And that's it. So down, up, clap, down. Alright, so we're ready for the actual song here. So the verse play will be played with G, 2 string rounds, D, 2 string rounds, B minor, 2, and A, 2. So 2 string rounds per chord, and that will be kind of what you're going to do for the full song here. Every chord plays with 2 string rounds. G, D, B minor, and A. One round will sound like this. And so on. Over to the pre-chorus part. Now you're gonna play E minor, 2 string rounds, G, 2, B minor 2, and A 2. One chord progression round will sound like this. And I forgot to mention that the verse play, you play 2 chord progression rounds there of the verse play. And the same goes with the pre-chorus, 2 chord progression rounds of this as well. Then we have the final part, the chorus part. And the best with that is that you're gonna play in the exact same way as the verse. So you go back to this, G2, D2, B minor 2, and A2. Play the exact same as the verse play for 2 chord progression rounds. And there you have all the tools to play ZHAMIRA ZAMBRANO's and Jay Wheeler's song here. So I hope you enjoyed this. And if it was helpful, please let me know. Leave a comment or so. And feel free to subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. So thank you for your support, guys. Until next time, play tuned.